Hey guys, it is PenguinEsk and I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're going to just do some watercolor swatches. Nothing crazy, we're not doing anything crazy, no crazy like topics for the video or anything. We're just gonna make a swatch for the ShinHan watercolors that I did a video on for putting them in this palette. It took a month for them to dry, and this is basically them dry. You know, I was fiddling around with them, or at least the ones that were dry, I was fiddling around with them, and now that everything is dry, we can do swatches now. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the PenguinEsk channel. We do artsy videos here. This video is kind of like a calming kind of video, so if you want more of me talking, you know, I have other videos on my channel and you can check those out. See you.
The reason you haven't felt it is because it doesn't exist. What you call love was invented by guys like me.
Is that right?
Are you sure about it?
must be hard being a man, too.
You're born alone and you die alone, and this world just drops a bunch of rules on top of you to make you forget those facts, but I never forget. Love was invented by guys like me.